Hello everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I want to show you what's inside the box of TP-Link Tapo C310. So first, right after we open the box, here we have all the things that come in the package. So the first one is the camera with the antenna and the cable to plug it in. Now here we have the power adapter. Here we have a quick start guide. Here we have mounting anchors to mount it onto the wall. Here we have a waterproof seal. And here we have screws. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.